own weird OC. If your favorite color is white or black, you get them as your skin color. If your favorite color is anything else, you can use that as well. Green eyes, you get 2 eyes. If you have blue eyes, you get 1 eye. If you have brown eyes, you get button eyes. If you have a pet dog / cat, you get a mouth on your stomach. If you have a reptile / fish, you have a normal smile. If you have a hamster / rat / no pet, you have no mouth. If you have a hamster / rat / no pet, you have no mouth. If you have 0 to 1 siblings, your OC is a clown. If you have 2 to 3 siblings, you have multiple eyes. If you have 4 or more siblings, you have scary. If you enjoy watching horror movies, you get floating limbs. If you like dramatic movies, you get bat wings. If you enjoy cartoons, you get claws. If you dress in bat wings. If you enjoy cartoons, you get claws. If you dress in pastel colors, you make your OC wear them. If you wear a mix of dark and bright clothes, you get bright neon. If you wear dark clothes, your OC gets a suit, then decorate.